look, it's a little bird eating the food, bro. I forgot somebody put the food there. Now look, the little bird is eating it, bro.
It's an waste food.
Yeah, bro. It's so cool. It's so cute.
We need to keep some more food. It will come and eat.
Like and subscribe if it's cute, bro. Like and subscribe.
And comment how is it.
Yeah, if the comments don't work, nah, it's fine. You don't have to. Just like and subscribe. And also, it's also very
And it
nice.
will help us to make a big YouTube channel.
And it will help us to make more content like this. And maybe even we could help some people. We're trying to help a lot of animals right now. So the buddy, if we get so many subscribers, the buddy we get, it will help. So we will use that most of that buddy to help wildlife live and like have food.
Oh, if you subscribe means we will buy a new bird. I think it went.
Yeah, it left. It had so much food though. And it's on the roof, I think, right there. Is it?
No. So bye guys. Let's see
Bye.
in the another video.
Bye.